Hello folks at home, I'm MiKEY of Made by MiKEY. I make things from time to time, and I've decided to take my most recent venture, put it up on social media, and share it with you, so that over the next 2 minutes, I just might be able to change your lives just a little bit. A couple questions first. Are you interested in cultivating and harvesting your own herbs and plants from home? Do you think that is impossible because you just don't have room for a garden? 2 words. No problem. I am designing and creating my very own, one-of-a-kind vertical gardens just in time for planting season. These freestanding, movable units are perfect for balconies, rooftops, porches, patios, along fence lines, pretty much anywhere around the home that gets a minimum of 3 to 4 hours of sunlight a day. That's it. It's all you need. Now, I'd like to take just a few moments and show you exactly what goes into making each and every one with love. Check it out. The treatment of the insides of the planting troughs against moisture and wear is beeswax. This stuff here came to me in the form of a 1-pound brick before I took a cheese grater to it last night, so that it would melt easier. It was harvested from a farm located just outside of Toronto. The real beauty that I find in this process is that not only does it provide an all-natural, completely organic water barrier against the wood itself, and not only does it prolong the life of the unit as a whole, but it will also provide a ton of nutrients to anything you decide to grow and harvest for yourself, especially in your very first planting cycle. Healthy product, healthy you. Something else that I'm passionate about, I always have been, is the importance, the need in this city to buy locally. And with that, I'd like to share the fact that all the bits and pieces that went into making each and every single one of these units were not purchased from big box corporate stores, but rather small, local, independent businessmen and women. So I bid you adieu with this final message. Please support green roofs in Toronto. Please support urban gardening. It is possible everywhere. And please buy local. Bring home something that lasts. Thanks for watching. See you on the other side.